Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both Modern Standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
هو انت بتعمل ايه يا زين؟ زين اهم، انت بتعمل ايه؟
What are you doing in Egyptian is انت بتعمل ايه. ايه is what. بتعمل it's a be imperfect of the verb يعمل, to do. So انت you بتعمل are doing a what. انت بتعمل ايه. ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? This is the Modern Standard Arabic version. ماذا تفعل? So instead of a, which is what in Egyptian, a, we say ماذا in Modern Standard Arabic. يعمل is يفعل or يعمل in Modern Standard Arabic. So when we say يعمل, ماذا تعمل or ماذا تفعل, it means بتعمل ايه in Egyptian. So يفعل or يعمل is يعمل in Egyptian.
هو انت بتعمل ايه يا زين؟ زين اهم، انت بتعمل ايه؟
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.